If you're planning a trip to the Florida Keys but don't know where to stay, then you are in luck because it is time for another Ride with GNR RV Park Review. Thank you, thank you. You're too kind.
That's where we're staying, right ahead.
That's it. This is it. Fiesta Key. This episode, we are staying at Fiesta Key RV and Resort. We pulled in a little bit later than expected, but at least we got there before the sun went down. So we got to see a little bit of the park and enjoy the fabulous sunset. The entire island of Fiesta Key is owned by Fiesta Key Resort, all 28 acres of it. The whole resort is surrounded by the Gulf of Mexico, so you've got tons of waterfront views to choose from. As we mosey on down the road, pulling our truck and camper looking for space 188, George and I start getting pretty excited. Even though we're a bit weary and tired from a long day of driving, we are finally here. We can't wait to get parked and pull out the lawn chair so we can watch the sun go down. That's an awesome view. The next morning, we decided to take a stroll around the park, but we had to wait for the rain to die down first. Almost every morning we had thunderstorms, and then it would clear off to be beautiful blue sky, and then it would be thunderstorms again in the evening. Just keeping it nice and lush and green around here. Here they have RV spaces with full hookups for sewer, water, and electrical. They also have cabins or RV rentals and an on-site hotel. When George and I were here back in 2016, we saw a few people that were camping in tents, but just the other day I saw on their website it said no tents allowed. So I'm not sure when they changed the rules for that or even why they changed it, to be honest with you.
We're just walking around this morning, checking out the park. So far it's pretty darn awesome.
Pretty awesome, babe. It is raining out there.
Robin says, "Come on in, the water is fine."
Womp womp. At night, they light their tiki torches here, so you can have ambiance in front of their tiki bar and cantina. The resort even has its own marina and boat ramp, so whether you arrive by boat or you towed one behind your RV, you're all set.
Both the washers and the dryers will take a credit card. That is cool.
Nice, baby. Very cool. The park offers many activities and amenities to its guests, such as ocean swimming, snorkeling, an on-site restaurant, fishing off the dock, a basketball and volleyball court. You can play horseshoes, they have a dog run, and they have planned activities and scheduled entertainment. Plenty to do in this park, but sadly George and I didn't have enough time to explore all that they had to offer because we had to get back on the road. We'd both really like to come back sometime and explore more of the park. We only had a couple of days to spend in the Keys, and we were busy checking out museums and shops. But if we come back, I'd like to spend more time at the cantina and the beach bar. That's my kind of relaxation. We heard there was a big storm a-comin', and we thought we should try to beat the weather. But instead the weather beat us. Bad.